Nainis ako, hindi na shoot yung sa memory card. Again.
Take 2.
We are at Esitex. See? Grabe, look at this. Nice, no? Hi, we're driving.
Ako naman. Ayan, may kasabay namin Hilux. Old model. And this is my first time na mag-long drive. Dalawa lang kami ni Francis.
Yes.
And I'm driving at 120 kilometers per hour. Oh my God.
Parang wala lang, ano?
Parang wala lang. Parang 20 kilometers per hour lang.
Ayan. Ano feeling?
Bagong liban?
Ang bagal na ba?
Kailan? Masarap mag-drive nang walang traffic.
Sobra.
Kaya na nakakatakot kasi kukunti kayo.
Yeah, look, oh. Wala kami halos kasabay.
Pag mawiwiwi, hindi wala mo sa mga ito.
Ay, walang wiwian dito. Mountains here.
And it's almost 12 noon. At ang lamig dito. Kasi hindi umuulan.
Yes, fine weather. Look.
Okay lang ba hair mo?
Yes, mahabang mahaba pa rin. Ikaw talaga pinakamahaba ang hair sa aming lahat. Panalo ka talaga. At naka-expect.
Imagine ha, first time in France na makay dito. May mag-drive. Wow!
First time.
Layo-layo pa. Si Dines, hanggang orange ba? Hanggang ano lang, mimis lang.
Ay, naku, Jo. Dapat kasama ka namin.
Oh, look at the bridge.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, the whole thing is fine. Maybe that was it. So maybe women are saying Bond, not that's the right thing. They can say James Bond is probably the same. And I think the one they like most was the language. The James, even better at BB9. So that was the top 10 sexiest cars for men as chosen by
Right, nice.
I have a question. Okay, we should
100
find this,
kilometers.
and it should be the top 10 sexiest cars for women as chosen by men. Hey, we can do that next to the we should find that. We should find that.
You know, what's that? It's not even a replacement. Already with the model, the pink car from Thunderbirds.
Thunderbirds?
Whatever.
It's
drives.
oh yeah, that one. I remember that
Convertible pink.
It's so hard to think off my off the top of my head, but you know, whenever you